Imagine every chord is a destination. In music, a cycle is the engine that moves you between them at a fixed intervallic distance. You can follow the path forward to build momentum, or back cycle from your resolution to create an inevitable trail home. The cycle of fifths is the heavy hitter. Think of this as harmonic gravity. Based on the 3:2 frequency ratio, the fifth possesses a natural resonance. Every time the root drops a fifth, it feels like a weight falling into a slot. It is strong, heroic, and feels absolutely inevitable. Next is the cycle of thirds. This isn't a drop, it's like a liquid glide. Because these chords share DNA, common notes that anchor the transition, the movement is silky and can sound cinematic. It feels like a dream sequence where one room morphs into the next without you seeing the door. The cycle of seconds is your manual climb. There is no gravity pulling you here and no shared DNA to help you slide. It is a deliberate, step-by-step approach. Use this when you want your listener to feel every inch of the journey toward the target. Usually you would stay within a tonal map, or the chords that belong to our home key. But a real sequence is a rogue architect, let's call it. You pick a fixed distance, like a major third, and blast through the walls of the key. You'll hit chromatic colors that shouldn't be there, creating a surreal cinematic atmosphere. I used chords of the same type, but you could have chosen to use like C minor, E minor, and G sharp major instead. There are no restraints, only your aesthetic judgment. You are not limited to one type of cycle. You can layer them, running a second climb in the main harmony against a fifth cycle drop in the bass. Or you can approach chords using a mix like alternating a cycle of seconds and thirds. The math provides the map, your aesthetic discernment provides the destination. So what path will you build? Thank you for watching, and until next time.